Guys, this one I put my magnifier in the red dot over here on my PTR 32, and anyway, yeah, other hold of these things are something I don't know a whole lot about, and get you out of the way. Okay, get around him. Dead center. I got my AR hit shooting. I left it. That's the last shot I took. Y'all can see here now. Hold on a second. Alright, here we go. You can tell which one's 70. First shot with the AR. It shot here. I messed up. Moved it on over there. Another click set me off. But anyway, I come straight back there. And I turned it the right way and came back to right there. And I left it and I shot the steel over across the creek over there. And the one right, the one right then, I shot. First round was there. No, first round was there. Messed up again. Moved over there, came back to there, then there. I don't know why I had everything backwards today, but I did. I need to look for you. Guys, I'm really liking my pistol here. My dot's off. Not like not zeroed, but I mean, it's turned off. Probably mashed it button with my this Swamp Fox has got such a big buttons on the side of it. I'd say I've mashed it in the holster where I got in my I got it holstered up here. So now I'm gonna shoot with my pistol here up closer, okay? Alrighty. Sound good, fellas? Alright, guys. Shoot up close here with my rifle. Closely. Okay, but it won't be too quick with this anyway. Okay, here we go. My boat went all the way back and around here. Check it out. Falling out the bottom. What the heck kind of mess is that? No primer hit. Ain't too bad. We'll see. Scraped up the side of it. I'll try to make it to go off. Yep. We are out this one. All right. Okay, let's go pistol hunting. Check this out. I'm having bad luck here today. But look, this has done this a time or two. Barely out of battery. I don't know why, but it's done that a couple of times on me. But I know which mag. I just got like 3 with this with these base plates. I don't know what the heck. I mean, it's just barely out of battery. I've put quite a few rounds to it, and I don't think it's that dirty.